On August 16th, 1994, a Santa Fe train 3500 was ready to leave the yard and didn't know that today they would crash. Train started to speed up because it was a high priority manifest train. Further down the track, the switch was set right into the back of an intermodal train. With the manifest barreling down towards it, there was nothing it could do to stop in time. The emergency brakes were applied, and then the manifest train slams into the back of the intermodal train. All of its freight cars piled up behind the manifest train, right in front of 125 passengers. The intermodal train was pushed so hard that some of the containers went flying out of their spots. So how did this happen? The signal was on green and the switch was supposed to be set going to the right, but it was set right into the other train. This will need to be a quick cleaning process because it's blocking the path of the Amtrak passenger train. With enough cars cleared off the track, the Amtrak train was able to depart. Investigators say that the switch was supposed to be set to the left, but because of a short circuit, it was sent the wrong way, right into the back of the other train. Well, thanks for watching this video, guys. If you enjoyed, like and subscribe, and if this video does good, we'll do a part 2.